everyone. Today we're gonna be doing something special or different. This might be our first vlog video for this channel.
Vlog.
We decided to go shopping together, which it's been a while. So we thought that we're gonna take you guys along to the journey, and hopefully I can teach you guys some useful Korean phrases related to shopping. And you can kind of take a glimpse at what it's like to shop in Canada as well.
In Ottawa, specifically.
In Ottawa.
Not quite like Toronto.
Today it's kind of gray and it's not that sunny. Cold and it's a little snowy. And if you're new here, my name is Inyoung.
And I'm Emmanuel.
Okay.
Sorry, I'm turning.
And we have Leona in the back, who is an 8-month-old baby. She's
an 8-month-old beast. A she-beast.
She's happy right now because she's fed, slept, but she may be bored sitting in the back seat. So you may kind of hear.
Yeah.
This channel is all about learning Korean and culture, and we're gonna do more of this type of videos. If you like it, make sure to give it a like, hit the subscribe button with the notification bell.
And leave some comments. Tell us what you want us to do.
Oh.
What you want to see.
By the way, right now it's almost 4:30 in the afternoon, and they're gonna close at 6 p.m., right? So we have about an hour and a half left. I haven't gone out to shopping mall just because I just order everything online. Mama doesn't have time, right? You just order things online and you want it right now or next day. And I always shop for Leona's anyway. So this is a special day.
What, David?
Pretty big mall. It's called Bayshore. We're on the 3rd floor. 3층에 있어요. 쇼핑몰에 오자마자 오빠는 화장실 갔어요. Hopefully you guys can hear me with my mask on. I don't know what it's like in terms of the sound. I still got my microphone, but I wasn't sure if it's even worth to bring microphone in the mall, and especially when I have mask on. Fiona?
There's no other.
오케이. 내려갑시다. 3층에서 2층으로 내려갑시다.
Aha.
So we got into Zara. I don't know what I want actually. It's got they have sale on every single rack right now. It's actually a great timing. 어떤 거를 고를까요?
Let's do it again. 미안해.
So I'm gonna say this phrase. 이게 마음에 들어요?
이게 마음에 들어요?
마음에
마음에
들어요.
들어요.
나한테 어울려요? 나한테 어울려요? Does this suit well with me? 나한테 어울려요?
어워요.
Maybe don't repeat. You're not saying correctly.
No, I know. What's that again?
So apparently they're closing right now because of COVID. They're closing 1 hour earlier. So we're right at the closing time. So let's see what we can get. I guess I can teach you this phrase. 짜증나. It's annoying. 짜증나.
짜증나.
이 바지 색깔 어때요? How do you like this color? color of pant. 이 바지 색깔 어때요? 예뻐요. 가격은 지금 거의 $30예요. And when you buy pants, the main thing I look at is the flexibility. So in English, you may say, does it have elasticity? In Korean, we say, 수축성이 좋아요? 좋아요. 이거 신발 한 켤레 어때요? 신어볼래요? Do you wanna try? 신어볼래요?
신어볼래요?
볼래요?
신어볼래요? 신어볼래요?
So 보다 is try. 신어보다. Try to wear it. So 신다 is the verb that we use to wear shoes. 이 신발 신어볼래요?
신어볼래요?
Do you wanna try?
정말.
So I think somebody asked me a question about this phrase, where is the fitting room? I think in Korean, I think we say 탈의실. 탈의실이 어디예요? Or we could also say fitting room. fitting room이 어디예요?
fitting room 어디예요?
Or 어디 있어요?
어디 있어요?
Yeah, where it exists. 여기에 있어요. Here it is. Since there is almost no time, I'm just gonna check out the key section to see if we can find something for Leon. Evan, this one, look at this. It's kind of cute.
Polka dots.
It's almost $4.
Wow.
$4예요. 50% 세일이에요. 50% off. You wanna try?
Do you want to put it on her?
Yeah.
미안, can't.
I think it's a little too hard for Leona. It's so cute. 너무 귀여워요.
Thank you, Daisy.
They're all saying they're closing at 5. You can say that in Korean. 5시에 문 닫아요.
문 닫아요.
Yeah, close the door, we say. 5시에 문 닫아요.
This is 3.
아빠 뭐 찾았어?
Yeah.
얼마야?
Daisy
얼마예요? How much is it?
얼마예요?
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 Wow, they're all good price. $16. 캐나다 돈으로 $16.
어디 open?
You wanna see? 리오나 이거 어때? 이뻐? We get this? We're getting kicked out. They're closing. Yeah. And we also say 영업 종료 시간. 영업 종료 시간. 영업 is operation, business operation. 종료 closing. 시간 hour. 영업 종료 시간이 5시예요.
Ah. Is that the Squid Game girl?
Oh, I think so. Is that her? I think so.
Yeah, I think so.
Whoa. Do you remember her name? Wasn't it like something about like star? Look at her. She's all excited about the new clothes.
Je hebt mooie klaren ga je kopen, okay?
So we're in the line. You can say 우리는 줄 섰어요.
우리는 줄 섰어요.
줄 서다. This is stand in the line.
This here?
줄
So
섰어요.
I'm speaking Dutch to her. If you're wondering.
옷 한 벌 샀어요. So we call 벌 for counting clothing, article of clothes. So 옷 한 벌 샀어요. We bought one article of clothing. Is that how you say it? Right?
Yeah. One article.
Yeah, 리오나를 위해서. 리오나!
Kindertje, kijk hier.
옷 한 벌 샀다.
Zeg hallo naar de camera. Ja.
I wish there was enough time to make more vlogging. Sorry guys that we're rushing to get out of here right now, so I have to end this like this. But anyway, hopefully you enjoy this video and you find some of the phrases I talked about useful. If you wanna leave them comment down below on what kind of video you would like to see in the future. Do you have something to say?
I think we gotta change diapers.
What?
We gotta change these diapers.
Okay.
And I don't mean the ones that I'm not wearing on my face.
Okay. Let's go back to food court washroom.
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys.